Hey guys, how are you? Today in this video, I am going to be showing you a tutorial on how you can style the Althea collection with 5 different looks. So let's get started. For look number 1, let's go back to the basic with this classic Althea top and bottom piece. This style is appropriate for a business casual look. The outfit is loose and flowy, giving it a comfy feel, and the top just hangs nicely on the shoulder, giving an effect of a slim silhouette. So I just style it with a long necklace, a classic watch, and high heel just to add a little something to a really simple and basic piece. Now, this has to be in here. A blazer is a must when it comes to office wear. It completes most outfit, and even if you're wearing something laid back, when you throw a blazer on top, it just pulls everything together really nicely and gives you that professional persona. For look number 2, I just pair the Althea top with a white pants, and I'll style it by tucking in the front end of the top into my pants and let the behind loose and falls as it is. You can have fun mix matching, and to complete this look, I just throw a blazer on top, keeping it quite smart and professional and maintain Muslimah compliance. For look number 3, the basic piece is the same as look number 2 except for without the blazer. This look is a little bit more edgy and fun, yet appropriate for office wear. The back of the Althea top is tucked out so the behind is covered to remain modest, and I just style it with minimal accessories so it just looks really nice and clean. I love suits, and I think a suit is the most professional looking piece that you can wear. It's like you really mean business. For this look, I'm wearing the full Althea set and pair it with a tweed jacket. I purposely chose this peach pink tone for this tutorial to show you that you can still have fun playing with colors and still mean business, and not only stick to that typical black and white color for office wear. Besides, the soft tone just adds a feminine flair to this look. To give it a more sharper look, I tuck in the front and back of the Althea top into my pants and complete it with high heels so it looks really smart and super polished. A palazzo is an absolute must-have for all Muslimah in my opinion, because it's simply stylish yet Muslimah appropriate. A pair that I have is a colorful abstract design, so I could mix match it with any color from the 6 Althea colors available. I love this look because it's simple and it can go so much. Whether it's an outing or attending events such as birthdays, akikah, and even traveling, this ensemble is simply perfect. Okay, so that's my take on the tutorial on the 5 looks you can style with Althea collection. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!